Hey guys, Nick here from Attrell Toyota here in the Brampton Auto Mall, and today we're going to be just chatting quickly about the RFID or Faraday pouches that we're selling here at the dealership. Very simple technology, but very, very effective. As you can see, I got this key here to this RAV4 attached to the inside of this Faraday pouch, and as you can see, it works really well. I can lock the car. I can even use the features on the side for the smart key to lock the car and unlock it. And the cool thing though is that when I put it inside the Faraday pouch, as you can see, now it doesn't do anything. So you can kind of hear, I'm pressing on it and I'm right beside the car and none of it's working. Now this is a really, really handy system because for those of you who might be experiencing car thefts in your area, this really cuts down on the ability for a carjacker to actually try and steal your car out of your driveway, simply because it interrupts the signal between your key and your car. So very, very handy. For those of you who might use this though, just make sure, just remember, you have to take it out in order to use it. We've had a couple of people who, you get a little panic thinking that the key is broken. It's not. You just take it back out and you're able to use it again. But this is a very cheap and effective way of protecting your vehicle, especially when it's at home. Some people, they use them all day and they keep this in their pocket. Other people, they just slip their key into this when they get home, and either way, it's a very, very handy tool. So look to Attrell Toyota for all of these needs. If you want to chat with us about picking one of these up, they're available in our parts department. Very, very handy, and it's something that we just want to make sure that our customers have, so that you're not having to unnecessarily replace your Toyota. For more information about this and other things, head to our website and we'd love to chat with you. If you have any comments or if you haven't subscribed yet, please do to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.